how to change theme. Good Google Slides. Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, How to Browser. In this video, I will walk you through the entire process step by step. So please follow along with me and watch this video until the very end because you don't want to miss any step. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing. I'm trying here to provide you with solutions for your problems you may have online. If that sounds good for you, please consider subscribing. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Let's head over to your default browser. Open your browser and go to Slides, Google Slides. And here, let's start a new slide, a new presentation. Alright, now I want to change the theme. So what you need to do is at the top, click slide. We have here slide. Please tap on slide, and here please select change theme. Okay, please change theme, and from here now we have in this presentation many themes, so you can change the theme, or you can import a theme that you just bought from somewhere, or you have it from a different website, I don't know, but you can import themes as well. You can upload here, select a file from your device or drag a file here, or if you prefer, select a file from your device. You also have different files here, but what we want here, what I want, is to select from here a different theme. We have color, plumb, paperback, modern, geometric. I think this one looks pretty fancy. I like this one. Now just close this one, and now you can edit this theme. Alright, I hope this video helped you. If it did, please drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more how-to videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.